The 2026 BMW X5 is here, and it's raising the bar once again for luxury SUVs. Blending elegant styling, advanced technology, and powerful performance, this latest X5 continues BMW's tradition of building vehicles that are both practical and exciting to drive. Whether you're looking for a refined family SUV or a premium daily driver with impressive capability, the new X5 promises to deliver on every front. At first glance, the exterior has evolved with a sharper and more confident appearance. The signature kidney grille has been refined with a more modern design, while the slimmer LED headlights give the front end a bold and sophisticated look. Sculpted body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, creating a sporty yet elegant profile. Fresh alloy wheel designs, redesigned front and rear bumpers, and updated LED tail lights complete the premium look. Despite its luxury focus, the X5 still carries a muscular stance that hints at its impressive performance. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of craftsmanship and innovation. High-quality leather upholstery, soft-touch materials, and premium trim create an atmosphere of true luxury. The curved digital display combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless screen, providing crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, while a premium sound system, panoramic glass roof, heated and ventilated seats, and multi-zone climate control ensure every journey is comfortable. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, and the spacious boot offers excellent practicality for family trips or long holidays. Under the bonnet, the 2026 BMW X5 offers a range of efficient yet powerful engines. Buyers can choose from refined petrol and diesel options, along with plug-in hybrid models that provide impressive fuel economy and electric-only driving for shorter journeys. Smooth automatic transmission and BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system deliver outstanding grip and confidence in all weather conditions. Precise steering, adaptive suspension, and balanced handling make the X5 feel remarkably agile for an SUV of its size, while maintaining the comfortable ride expected from a premium vehicle. In terms of pricing, the 2026 BMW X5 is expected to start at around £72,000 in the UK, with higher spec models and performance variants reaching well above £95,000, depending on options and trim levels. Overall, the 2026 BMW X5 continues to set the standard in the luxury SUV segment. It combines sophisticated design, cutting-edge technology, exceptional comfort, and confident performance into one complete package. If you're searching for an SUV that excels in every aspect, the new BMW X5 deserves a place at the very top of your shortlist.